Intro. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something super important for all you health enthusiasts out there. If you're looking to give your body a natural cleanse daily, stick around because I've got 11 powerful drinks that can help you do just that. And hey, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more health tips. First up, we have the classic lemon water. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water each morning. This simple drink can help kickstart your digestive system and flush out toxins. Next on the list is green tea. Packed with antioxidants, drinking green tea daily can boost your metabolism and help detoxify your body. Plus, it's a great alternative to sugary drinks. Apple cider vinegar is another fantastic option. Mix 1 tablespoon with a glass of water and drink before meals. It helps balance your pH levels and promotes healthy digestion. Ginger tea is excellent for detoxing too. Boil some fresh ginger slices in water and enjoy this spicy beverage. It's great for reducing inflammation and aiding digestion. Ever tried dandelion tea? It's a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush out excess fluid and toxins from your body. Cranberry juice, preferably unsweetened, is another powerful detox drink. It's known for its ability to cleanse the kidneys and urinary tract. Just 1 glass a day can do wonders. Beet juice is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. Drinking it regularly can support liver function and help detoxify your blood. Aloe vera juice isn't just for sunburn. It can help detoxify your digestive system and promote healthy bowel movements. Just be sure to consume it in moderation. Cucumber water is super refreshing and hydrating. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking great. Just add a few slices to your water bottle and you're good to go. Mint tea is another excellent detox drink. It aids in digestion and can help relieve stress. Plus, it's super easy to make. Last but not least, turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This drink is anti-inflammatory and can help detoxify your liver. Just warm some milk, add turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. And there you have it, 11 powerful drinks that can naturally cleanse your body daily. Give these a try and see how you feel. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and take care.